Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of your messages or conversation on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. And now, just go ahead and open your Instagram application. And now, just want to swipe your finger from right to left so that you can go to the messages area. So just go ahead and click on the conversation and click on the name of that user. And now you can see the theme section or option. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see all of the theme that is available on Instagram. So for example, this one. So once you click that, you want to go back to your conversation, and here you can see that the theme is changed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.